In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix TradingView lagging problem. If your charts feel slow, candles update late, or drawing tools jump around, let's walk through a clean, practical checklist to get things running smoothly. We'll start with the basics and move toward chart-specific tuning so you can get back to analyzing without frustration. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Real-time charting needs consistent bandwidth more than peak speed. If you're on Wi-Fi, move closer to the router or switch to a wired connection if possible. Avoid heavy downloads or streaming on the same network while you're trading. Also, don't keep multiple TradingView sessions open across different tabs or devices at the same time, as that can split resources and cause delays. If your connection looks fine, the next likely culprit is your browser. Over time, browsers collect cached files, cookies, and extension data that can slow web apps down, especially ones that render real-time graphics like TradingView. Outdated versions can also create performance hiccups. Give your browser a quick refresh, clear cookies and cache, then fully close and restart it. Shut down unnecessary tabs and extensions, particularly anything that injects scripts into pages, such as ad blockers or performance analyzers. A private or incognito window is a fast way to test whether extensions are the issue without changing your setup. If you notice a difference, you found your cause. For many users, the TradingView desktop app is a great upgrade. It isolates the platform from browser clutter and often leverages your system's hardware more efficiently. If you're confident your internet and app are fine, consider chart-specific adjustments to lighten the load. Hide indicators you aren't actively using, reduce overlapping drawings, simplify complex layouts, and limit the number of charts shown at once. Small reductions in what's rendered can make a big performance difference. Sometimes what looks like lag is actually a data delay from the exchange. Free feeds for certain markets can be delayed up to 15 minutes. If you see a yellow D icon on the chart or the symbol, that's a sign you're on delayed data. The fix isn't technical, it's about access. Subscribe to the exchange's real-time data or complete any required agreements for personal, non-business use to unlock live updates. Finally, if your cursor jumps while drawing or snaps aggressively to nearby highs and lows, that's magnet mode. Click the magnet icon on the left-hand drawing toolbar to turn it off or set it to a weaker level. That resolves drawing lag that's actually snapping behavior. Follow these steps in order, and you should notice your charts responding faster and more consistently.